The fact that you enter bathroom and you pour water on your hair. Oh my god, if you have not cut your hair, you are missing something. Oh. If you only wash your hair once in 2 months, maybe when you go to salon and all of that, as in you wash your hair occasionally, my dear, you're missing something. Happy Boxing Day. Today is 26th of December. The gist I have today is about my hair. Since I came in September, let's say September, I got to Canada on the 1st of September. So I've been carrying my hair like this. Actually, it was a lot lower than this. I've been wearing low cut for close to 8 years. I have never plaited or done anything on my hair in 7 years, and I've been enjoying it. And one of the reasons why I enjoy it so much is the fact that my husband loves it too. Sometimes I get tempted, there are some hairstyle you will see like this, you'll be like, oh my god, you will start wishing to start making your hair or that kind of thing. Each time I try it, my husband will be like, what are you talking about? Don't even make hair. Your hair looks fine. That kind of a thing. And to tell you how serious it is, there are some times that I will put on wig. My husband says, this wig doesn't look fine on you. Go and drop it and wear your low cut. Sometimes I will intentionally disobey. I will disagree with him. What do you mean? Particularly if I'm trying to be on traditional attire, like as an Igbo lady, you want to tie wrapper. And then I want to like put wigs, so I'll look like the mama, that kind of a thing. And then you'll be like, leave your natural hair. Like, I beg, hold out your advice. I don't agree with you. Which one is others will put on wigs looking, like that, and then I'll carry my hair like this. I don't I usually disagree with him when it comes to that. But the fact is that I've really enjoyed wearing low cut for these years. Like, before I cut my hair, I was actually having serious headache, palpitations. In fact, I don't even know the one that was wrong with me myself. So the thing continued into 2017. I had to just cut my hair, and I did like intentionally did it. I just said, let me lower my hair, and it was my husband that actually cut my, like, can we just cut this? Your hair is too long and too full. Let's just cut it. Let it be small. From cutting it small, I brought it down again, and from there I just cut my hair. And that is how the journey began, and honestly it has been superb. The fact that you enter bathroom and you pour water on your hair, oh my god, if you have not cut your hair, you are missing something. If you only wash your hair once in 2 months, maybe when you go to salon and all of that, as in you wash your hair occasionally, my dear, you're missing something. In fact, there is this well, let me not exaggerate, but I feel there is this freshness, there is this weight not having hair makes you to put on. I'm telling you, I'm sharing this from experience. When I make hair and all of that, I wasn't as fat as I am now, even as a mom, but immediately I cut my hair, I was no longer having all those headaches and all of that. And if I know it, I started putting on little weight, that kind of a thing. So, but that's by the way. What made me to want to do this video now is that I've been having this hair for like 4 months. So, and I've been thinking, oh God, how do I do it? I didn't come with my clipper. I didn't come with some of the things that I was supposed to come with because of luggage. When I got to the airport, the way they ended it in the way they say is so you pay extra money, and I didn't have such money. I'm just a civil servant, trying to manage my life. So I refused. I told my husband, please go with all those things. I will buy them when I get here. So over the week, I think that was on Monday. So I decided to go to Village Mall. There is a barbing salon there, and somebody recommended that place to me, a guy anyway. So I went there, and the guy told me that he barbs his hair for $25, and I like $25, and I've not changed though. For every expenses I am making here, I try to like weigh to know the value in naira. So I was like, wow, $25 is so much. As in, I will buy clipper and all of those things and still pay $25. On a second thought, I said, okay, let me just go there first. Probably they may even be selling some of those things I could just buy and also barb my hair there. When I got there, the guy just looked at me and was telling me I could pay $35. I was like, $35? What happened now? Somebody told me it's $25. So why are you telling me that? I said, nah, maybe it's not this shop. It's $35 they collect for it. I say, how about guys? He said, barely the same thing, Just me hearing that at $5, I go angry. How much? As in, how much am I receiving that they'll be paying me? I'll be spending $35. As in, that $5 is almost close to 40,000 naira in Nigeria. As in, like I'm barbing my hair for 40,000 naira. How bad now? Hey, I like. I said, let me not just fall my hands now. Let me not start price. Nigerian spirit. I said, can I negotiate? Is there room for negotiation? She said, no, no, it's not room for that. It's just at $5. I said, okay. Do you sell clipper? I said, no, I don't. Maybe just buy and bring. But we can use ours. I said, okay, I'll have to go and buy clipper. I want to use my own. So that was how I left. So since Monday I came back, I've just been looking at myself. Oh my god. And of course, there's no way for me. I can't make hair. That's one thing I can't. If I didn't do it in Nigeria, is it here that I will do it? And of course, if only to barb hair is just $35, that means to make hair now that's $100 and above, definitely. So it will not work. And the funny thing, I was even trying to see if I can just wear my wig a little, but I couldn't even wear them because my hair is a lot grown, so I can't even put on my wig. So definitely I'll have to go and barb my hair. So I didn't buy the clipper because I was thinking I was going to get one from that place, but out of annoyance I just left. So but as this holiday is finishing, or let's say maybe by second or so after these holidays, I'll just go and get in a clipper and then have my hair cut. But I noticed that some people admire my hair, particularly in my class. At least two persons, sometimes they will tell me, I love your hair. I like me that I love your long hair. See how your hair is long and all of that. No, I love your hair. And then there was one day I was at a particular bus stop. A lady approached me and I noticed the lady is wearing proper, as in the lady is carrying dreads, as in proper dreads. You know, they're like, I love your hair. Are you dreading it? I said, no. He said, so how do you do it? He said, I use some kind of foam to kind of rub around my hair and it gives me this look. He said, wow, this is good. I wish I can get that kind of foam. I will start doing it. But I wish I could have something lower. My dreads are becoming longer and longer. So there was no way I could explain that. And honestly, I've been to a few shops here like looking for this. The brush and the foam that I usually use, and I couldn't find it, and there was no way to explain it, so we just left the discussion that way. We didn't conclude it, okay. But some time ago, one of these days like that, we went to church and somebody really admired my hair and also asked me what I usually do to bring it to that way it looks and all of that. So I promised that person I was going to make a video since I don't know how to explain it, sure. So that is the reason why I'm making this video. It's just for some people to see it. Actually, I don't know what to call this, but I know it's just a foam. If you look at it, it's just normal foam. And then this side has this feeling of slippers, rubber slippers we use in Nigeria. I don't know what to call it. If you don't know what it is, I don't know, forget it. But that's just what it looks like then with this foam. So depending on the look you want your hair to carry, that will determine the type, the side you use. Is either you use this side or then you use this side. But this side is more like the dread. So this is where I use. This is the side I use, and it's not really expensive. I bought it for 3,000 naira in Nigeria. I wish I have a way of importing it. I'm sure if I import this kind of thing, I will make money. Like by the time I import it and maybe show it to one or two persons, I'm sure people will buy it. So that's just it. So the essence of this video is to make that dread-like look I do wear most of the time. You must have seen my shorts. Check my short videos, guys. You should encourage me, share my videos, give me some thumbs up. I like dancing a lot. I like singing gospel songs, and some is prayers for me. Every song I read different meaning to it, and it's my prayer. So just watch it. And if you see all my videos, I started making video since 2022. If you watch it completely, you will see that I've been on low cut. That's to tell you how serious I am. I've never made hair. I've always been wearing low cut. So let me not waste so much of your time and show you how I make my hair. So every morning and every evening, in fact, as long as I enter bathroom to have my bath, I must wash my hair. The only thing is that it's not every time that I use shampoo and all of that on my hair. Most times it's just to wash my normal body, but water must touch my hair, as in I'll make sure water touches up to the scalp, that kind of thing, because it gives you that relaxation, that kind of, if you're not very low cut and you're just normal bathing, you're not enjoying it. Guys are enjoying, men are enjoying. I'm telling you, guys are enjoying as each time they go to bathroom, water touches from head to their toe. It's on a special level. That's a special experience. So for ladies that are not really, they're not wearing low cut. So I usually pour water on my hair, but it's not every time that I wash it. So if you really want to get that dread-like texture look, you really have to allow your hair doesn't need to be so dry. If it's so dry, you'll not really get it. But if it's a little bit wet, it becomes so soft and it's easier to bend. You can bend it the way you want it to suit you. Okay, so that's just it. So my hair is even becoming dry. Oh god, becoming dry, but then we can still do something on it. Okay, so what I usually use is this Indian hemp hair cream or something like that. Please don't mind me, this is my level for now. So this is what I use, and I try to take like a little of this, and then I try to rub it on my hair, try to massage it. It's because here there is no sun. That's why you may not really appreciate it. If it were in Nigeria, particularly where I stay in the north, so it's always sunny. If you step out under the sun will just strike the hair. The oil will start glittering. I say your hair will be stuck in it, that kind of a thing. So, but what I do here is after rubbing it, I try to use stuff. I don't know what to call it now, baby oil or something like that. I just try to rub it on my hair. I just try to manage what I have. Just manage what you have and still appear good. So this is just what I do. Try to massage it down. And that's just it. I'm actually a simple person. I don't make up. This is me. Okay, so that's just it. And then bring it on my hair. You see the look. So it gives you that, because my hair is actually growing longer than it's supposed to, so I'm not really getting it very, very well. If it were a little bit smaller, if you use this, it will get to the root of the hair and mold it for you to come out so fine. But because the hair is actually outgrowing the capacity of this now, it doesn't really get to the root, but then it still gives you that look. There, you get it. And I like it. Even though sometimes it makes you look crazy. Sometimes I also feel somehow like, how are you wearing this kind of look? Like, to make you look like you're a serious person. But then that's what I like, man. So how do you see it? Is it forming? So that's it. I have mirror here. So that's how I do it. So if I want to check, so you see how it's forming? So if I want to check, I use the mirror to check how it's forming at the back. So this is my look. How do you see it? Like I said, it's because the hair is a little more grown than it used to be. If not, the turnout would have been so superb. You'd have so much liked it. So that's how I do it every morning. Oh, that's good. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, just let me know. And you think you want this, also let me know, because I'll be expecting some things from Nigeria in the course of January. If you think you want this, let me know. I could order for it so it will be part of the things that will be coming. So if you like this, you want to wear low cut and you want to have this kind of look, you can have. One good thing about this thing is it doesn't tangle your hair. You get it. You can decide to comb it off, and if you don't want to comb it off, just keep doing it. Like me, I don't usually comb. I don't get that time. All I know is I pour water on my hair and I continue. Something I'm trying to need to give me that dread. Why am I not combing it out? Something that is already forming. So I'll just do it. You understand? And if you feel like you want to make it stronger, you can use all these settings on your hair, and then when it dries, it will hold the hair the way you want it, like this way, it will remain that way. You understand? So but that just me. I don't want to make complicate it. Since I know every night I will pour water on my hair. If I apply it there in the night, I'll start washing my hair as if I retouched my hair and all of that. I don't want that kind of thing. So the highest I do is just to apply this cream. In the night, I'll just pour water like that and continue. Then maybe once in a while, maybe once in 3 weeks or in a month. Sometimes, to be honest, 1 month I've not used shampoo on my hair, just normal water. You understand? So but that's how it is. I need you to tell me, do you think $35 is okay? Should I go ahead to cut this hair for $35? I make I cut am myself. No be Nigerian lady I fit do am now. What are you talking? I have mirror here already. It's just for me to mount another mirror at the back and get clipper and just shave the thing. You think I can do it? I've never tried it before, but honestly it's doable. I met a certain guy where in the course of discussing, he laughed and told me he barbs his hair, and I couldn't believe it because his hair is always on point, as in very neat. He's always very neat. I couldn't believe when he told me he does it by himself. And of course, they say whatever a man can do, a woman can do it. I'm just trying to joke. So, do you think that $5 is too expensive to cut this hair, or do you think I should go ahead? So, just let me know. I want to know what you think about it, because by 2nd of January, I should have been able to make a decision on what to do to this my hair. So that is it. Thank you for watching. Bye.